Oh man, right when I like quit. Yeah.
What are you trying to do with your hand? Oh shit, you just broke my rubber band. No, Mike. Oh shit. No. Are you fucking bitching? Goodness. I ain't done fighting, so it's gonna stay this way until I'm done. Why are you done?
Because she got her ass whooped by a 12-year-old. Yeah, you got a fat lip. You're gonna go to school with a fat lip tomorrow.
What happened? A 12-year-old punched me.
What happened to you? A dog fucking busted my lip?
Yeah? I'm not embarrassed.
At least it's a dog.